This is Ife from Plush Organics. Today I'm going to show you how to make moringa guacamole. I already prepared the ingredients, but I'll show you the ingredients and the prepared one. So we have our parsley, we have our avocado, the ripe avocado, the riper the better. We have our garlic, our red onion, our juicy jam tomato, and our lemon. Usually people put a bit of chili, but for this recipe I'm not going to put chili, but you could put pepper for the taste. My prepared avocado, so I'm going to mash it nicely in the pot. If your avocado is very ripe, you will get a very creamy consistency. But if it's not so ripe, it's going to be a little hard. So the softer, the riper, the creamier. I'm going to add the onions. The garlic, the tomatoes, I'm adding the parsley, I'm putting a dash of black pepper, I'm to put 2 teaspoons of moringa powder. I'm just going to estimate it. A pinch of salt, or 2, and a tablespoon of olive oil.
We go 1 o'clock of fish.
Here we are. We're all set. This I would eat with my chips as a dip. Wrap with scrambled egg, or put on my rye bread and crackers. Let me have a taste. Very cool.